What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video you are going to see how to delete one picture from multiple pictures on Instagram post. So let's get right into the video. Once you have logged in into your Instagram account, head over to your profile. Then select the post you have just posted. And suppose I want to delete one of the pictures from this post. As you can see, it is currently 5 pictures that is posted in this. So click on the 3 dots icon and click on edit, and if you scroll down you can see a recycle bin option on the upper left corner, and if you click on a certain picture, for each and every picture there is a recycle bin icon. So all you have to do is set up a picture that you want to delete. So click on it, click on the recycle bin icon, and as you can see, if you click on delete, your selected picture will get deleted at once. And click on delete, and as you can see in here there is currently 4 photos and that one picture is deleted. And that's it. If you have found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.